Okay then, so let's talk about the definite article, the specific for definite article. So we use the for specific things. The party, the pen, the red pen, the house, the wall, the building, the door, the board, and beyond. The suspenders. So we use it for specific things, particularly. So, but we also use it when someone mentions something already. So if I say the wall, very nice. And then you could talk to somebody else and say, we need X, Y, Z for the wall. I want to do this thing to the wall. I've got the pen. I will need the pen to write with. I will need the pen. I'll need the pen now to note on the board. So we have the party. I will be at the party. If you say a party, I will be at a party, it's more ambiguous, more indefinite. Or which party, where, when? But if it's the party, I'm going to a party. The party, I'm going to the party. I'll be at the party. But we know specifically which one it is. I'll be at the party. I need the pen. I have got a pen. I need the pen to write. But we can also use it before superlative. So those are words like big, bigger, and biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. It was the loudest party. It was the longest building. It was the strangest. It was the smallest pen. Smallest. Biggest. It was the smaller pen. The big. It was the big building. The bigger building. It was the loudest party. The louder party, not the louder party. It was the loud party. It was the long bridge. It was the long motorway, the long road. So we can use it to be specific when we are describing things. The long, the tall, it was the dirty, the cleanest, the dirty bridge, the cleanest city, and beyond. But we can also use the for unique titles and objects. The king, the leader, the boss, because there's only one of these kind, the boss, the king, the London Eye. What is that thing called there? It's the London Eye. It's a unique thing. It's not a London Eye, because that would assume there's more than one. It's not a London, it's the London. We're going to the London Bridge, the London Eye. There's only one. Again, remember, we're talking specific. We're talking specifically that, not general. The king, the longest building, the London Eye, the red suspenders, the red pen, the whiteboard, the camera, the house, the city. Which city are we going to? The city. That's around us. Not a city. We're going to a city in England. I don't know which one. We're going to go to the city here. The city. Very good. So the, for the definite article, is specific. Very good. Let's keep going.